Hi guys, welcome back to Let's Yarn Over channel. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly crochet a non-stretching back strap. This is originally the I-cord pattern, super quick and easy as pie. Firstly, I'll go over the instruction of how to crochet an I-cord. Once you know the pattern, I will show you how to make the I-cord non-stretching for the back strap. I'm using two color yarns for better explanation. You can use same colors and crochet with 2, 4 or 6 strands of yarn. Anything you like. Just make sure you have a suitable hook. Make a knot to start. I will wrap one strand of yarn, which is the brown one, around my little and index fingers as usual. The other, which is the beige one, can be left freely underneath. To crochet the I-cord, make sure you get the brown one on top, your hook in the middle, and then the beige one at the bottom. What I'm going to do is to wrap the beige one around my hook, from the bottom to the top, from the front to the back. Then yarn the brown one over and pull through. Again, wrap the underneath yarn around the hook, from the front to the back. Yarn the above yarn over and pull through. Very easy, right? I love making this I-cord for the back strap because it's super fast. I can make a back strap in 10 minutes. A downside of this back strap method is that the I-cord is a little bit stretching, so it's suitable for mini bag only. However, I have figured out a way to get over the drawback using a metal chain. It's actually the same as what I have just shown you. Make a knot, separate the yarn. The one wrapping around your fingers is on top, let go the other. Before crocheting the I-cord, make an additional step. Insert your hook through a metal loop. Now get in the position, one strand of yarn on top, hook in the middle, and the other strand of yarn underneath the hook. Wrap the bottom yarn around the hook from the front to the back. Then yarn the top one over and pull through the loops on your hook, including the metal loop. Just make sure your metal chain not twisted. If you find it hard to handle, try my way of holding the yarn and passing the metal chains between right and left hands. Hold the metal chain in the left hand to make sure it is not twisted. It's also easier to insert your hook through the loop. After that, when you need to create tension in the brown yarn, pass it to the right hand. Since you crochet to a metal chain, your I-cord is locked with the metal loop, which is not stretchy anymore. I think this one is also good for bracelet making, definitely faster than braiding. That's how I make a non-stretching back strap in 10 minutes. Hit like if you love this crochet tutorial and subscribe to my channel for more free crochet tutorial. If you have any question or difficulties in crocheting, don't hesitate to drop me a message. Thank you for watching and happy crocheting!